Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm Tara. And if you're not new here, you know you're a part of the wet, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you. We'd be very grateful to have you. If you've been watching and you come and watch the videos all the time, I'm not really understanding what the problem is. Just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free 99. If you're gonna hit it, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. Over here, we hit 1K recently, and I just want to say a big thank you to the Grateful Gang OGs, the Grateful Gang, new members, all y'all. We love you. We love you. We love you. It's me. It's me. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you so very much. My only other request is if you have time, turn my playlist on in the background because it's been over 365 days. I keep losing hours and I need to get to 4,000. We're at about 2,900. So if you could play my playlist in the background, the cash stuffing one and the my humble home one, like home buyer 101 and budgeting with JWW, it should be JTWW should be long ones that keep you busy, but you don't have to watch it. You just put it on silent in the background. Okay, I'm doing enough talking. Y'all get the point. If you can, your girl would really appreciate it. Okay, so today we're going to be doing our allocations of our paycheck number one for October. I get two paychecks in October. I get paid bi-weekly. Everything is stretched out over 2 weeks. If you're new here, that's basically what I do. Lately, everything's kind of been negative, and we've just been kind of, by the grace of God, working it out, and it's He keeps on providing. So, amen. Now, let's go to paycheck number one, which is here. We already have it. Praise God. It's 1373.66. There it is. There it is. I do know from doing my monthly budget that I have to put $25 from my buffer because we are short about $22.18. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer immediately from my Build a Buffer account. If y'all hear the people mowing, I'm very sorry. It's mowing day. I'm grateful they're mowing my front lawn. I wish they come do the back one. But from Tatara's Major Keys, one time, two time. All right, and that's going to be $25, and that's shortage. The October budget shortage. Success. We've sent $25 over. Praise be to God. Okay. And here, let's get back to our budget. So we have done that. We're now working with 1398.66. I miss when my budget used to be 14 something. We didn't have these problems back then. But health insurance went up, and that's what happened. So mortgage, we're going to be putting $472.98 away. So let's go ahead and just transfer that right now as well. We're moving from Tara's Major Keys to Hold Your Horses. Hold Your Horses is where I put any money that is not needed right now, but I don't need sitting in my operating account. 472.98. 72.98, and that's going to be for, we've already paid October mortgage, so it's going to be for November mortgage. Transfer. Success, we've transferred that money out and it will be like in holding. Also, if you're new here, I break everything that has completely been processed through the bank in bright green, knowing that it's done. So when everything is bright green, we know we've completely closed out that budget. If anything is in an orange or a lighter money kind of green, it means that we're still working on it. We're not doing the gym for October. We just can't. The cell phone is actually not due again till November 4th. So I'm so excited. um, Water bill is going to be automatic, so there's nothing I can do about that right now. Things in this blue shade are automatic payments. Car insurance, 133.44. Actually, I think I can go ahead and pay that right now. So if you give me a moment, I shall return. Please hold. Okay, guys, so I went and paid that. Let's just double check that came out of the bank. Let's reload. Reload? It's like some shooting game I used to like. There it is. There's my State Farm pending at 133.40. Because it shows as pending, I'm going to mark it bright green. It is also an automatic payment normally, but this is one of those automatic payments where it lets me pay in advance but doesn't go ahead and charge me later as well, like my silly cable bill does. But bright green. So that's done. We have the electric bill, which I can probably play as well. Please hold. Okay, guys, so you can see that I made a successful confirmation payment of $84 on my debit card for Georgia Power. So that's done. Why does it feel like those annoying people are getting closer to me? All right, guys, so we did go ahead and pay the electric bill. And because I put it on my debit card, yay, it is showing here. Here's the $84. Really? I thought they were done. I'm so sorry, y'all. This $80 is for the internet. It is one of those ones where if I try to pay it early, it'll just double charge me. So I just let it come out when it does. We don't have to pay KineMaster until September 18, I think, of 2024. So that's amazing. Security is not due till next month. Oh, I don't have a zero. And it's security equipment, not next paycheck, not month. Trash sewer is down below. Nothing, nothing, nothing. The car payment. So I am gonna go ahead and make this car payment. Someone told me if I JB's 2 cents had said if I pay it early, like in split payments and actually pay it, because I used to just move it to hold your horses till it was time to pay. But I'm gonna go ahead and pay half of it now and half of it later. Although it's doing the 10th, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully that doesn't become a problem. So hold on, let me go ahead and make my first payment. One moment. I'll be watching it this month. Okay, we'll be okay. It's not due until 11:10, not 10:10, because I was worried. I was like, "Ooh, we're gonna be behind," but we're not. We're ahead. Okay, hold on. Let me make my car payment. Okay, guys, payment success. It's been scheduled. Great. So that one, however, goes through a bank account, so it's not going to show up in Capital One as like a full payment right now. Like when we refresh, you won't see it. So I marked those in like this peachy orange color because I know I need to check them when I come to close out my check. Excuse me, to see close out this paycheck to see if it cleared. Nothing for Capital One. Discover is not due till the second paycheck. Student loan 7367. I don't quite know how to pay this, y'all. So hold on, let me see if I can. Yeah, hold on. Let me see if I can figure it out real quick. All right, guys. I'm not sure you guys are gonna be able to see this screenshot that I'm putting up on the screen because it's not necessarily a part of the thing, but I hope you can. It just says payment success for 10/7 for 7067 to the confirmation number going through my bank account. So because it's going through my bank account, it's not going to show up in the actual bank as pending right now. So we're going to mark it in orange and we'll check on it to make sure it clears. Our variable expenses, gas gets 80, groceries gets 80 for the next 2 weeks, 40 for self-care for the next 2 weeks, eating out for the next 2 weeks. I do make these a lighter shade of green to make sure it just kind of for me represents money and that I know I need to go to the ATM and get this money out. As far as savings go, Holiday is getting $10. So let's go ahead and transfer $10 to Holidays. Oh my God, you guys, I feel like they're just getting louder and louder. I'm so sorry. Here to pretty much Holidays is Merry Christmas. We're not going to have a lot, but it's better to have something in my book right now. We're getting so close and this is the best we can do. Transfer. Success! Y'all, I'm about to just stop this video and come back when he's past my house because I know that mowing has to be annoying to you guys. So I'll be back in a few. You guys probably won't even know the time has passed. Okay, seems like they took a little break. Let's try to move quick. Beauty is going to get 10 and then trash will get 10 the next time. So beauty transfer from major keys to beauty is only skin deep, getting $10. Right. Success, we moved our $10. And then, oh, I should be making these bright green as we go. These are bright green. This is bright green. Hold on, y'all. Let me. Just wanted to close the room, laundry room, because I know that's loud too. Just a distracting video. I'm very sorry. Okay, household is getting 15. Success. Yay. Can make that green. And then the money we're working on currently, which is why it gets the most, is the emergency fund. It's getting 25. Success, 25 to the emergency fund. All right, let's go ahead and make that bright green. And then Navy Federal, it's going to be orange because it's transferring from, or peach, whatever color that comes up to you guys, because I've noticed it shows up differently on YouTube. It's going to Navy Federal, which is just $1 to keep the account open. And once I can, my humble home will get more money, but it is what it is right now. Success to my dollar. Every little bit counts, y'all. So then we have 289, which is a part of the buffer, which we make a peach color too, because technically it's still sitting in the account and we're at a zero based budget and everything that can be paid has been paid and moved. So now we see that we have $648.24 left in the account. We have to make sure when we add everything that is not bright green, we get that same total. That's how I know that we have the right amount left in the account to clear all the rest of the bills. So we have $40.18. We have $80 plus 233.50 plus 67 plus the 220, which is plus 220, which is the 80 40 20, and plus $1 for the Navy Federal, plus $2.89 for the buffer, which is 648.24. 648.24. Perfect. Everything matches. So we're at a zero based budget. All the money that should still be sitting in the account is sitting in the account, and everything that we were able to pay has been paid. So that is the successful allocation of our first paycheck in October. We're praying for increase, miscellaneous money, and things like that. Now that I'm working from home on Thursdays, I'm actually considering Wednesday nights to go pull some clothes from my Poshmark pile and start listing them on Poshmark because I'm already home. I can take a quick minute to take some videos and upload some things. That is what I'm thinking of. And then some other things in the background that I need to start working on as well, because I don't feel comfortable living at this level. Like, I have 12 or more years of accounts payable experience. I should not be struggling like this, but it's like this sometimes. So just very grateful, 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 gang, that God is still providing and all is well. But thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, all things are working out for those who believe in God. And it's faith over fear this year. But what? Not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a. Bye. Jazz hands. Ooh, 13 minutes. We did good, y'all.